Imagine this. Every single week, you suddenly have 10 extra hours. That's more than an entire workday of free time, handed back to you without hiring anyone and without working harder. How? By letting AI and automation take care of the boring, repetitive tasks that steal your focus. In this video, I'll share 7 practical AI automations that run quietly in the background, and together, they can save you around 10 hours every single week. Let's dive in. Automation number 1, email triage. How much time do you lose every day sorting through your inbox? 10 minutes here, 15 minutes there? It adds up to hours each week. With Gmail filters or Outlook rules, combined with AI-generated draft replies, you can let the system handle the busy work. For example, important client emails are flagged and moved to the top. Newsletters and spam, they're filtered out. And instead of typing the same response over and over, AI creates a draft for you. All you do is review, click approve, and hit send. That's 20 to 30 minutes a day saved, and you start your mornings focused instead of frustrated. Automation number 2, invoice reminders. Chasing clients for payments is not only awkward, it's also a massive waste of time. Here's the fix. Link a Google Sheet with your invoice dates, connect it to a simple script or automation tool, and let AI send out polite reminder emails for you. Instead of checking who paid and who didn't, the system does it on autopilot. It can even attach the invoice again, or add late fees automatically. Imagine never having to send those uncomfortable "just checking if you saw my invoice" messages again. That alone can save hours every single month. Automation number 3, content repurposing. Maybe you make a YouTube video, write a blog post, or record a podcast. Normally, creating content for multiple platforms takes forever. But with AI repurposing tools, one piece of content can instantly become 5 or even 10. A long video? AI cuts it into short clips for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Your blog post? AI extracts quotes and turns them into tweets or LinkedIn posts. And captions, hashtags, even thumbnails can all be generated automatically. This means one afternoon of effort creates a full week of content. It's like cloning yourself as a content creator. Automation number 4, customer support. Every business, no matter how big or small, gets the same questions again and again. What are your prices? Do you ship internationally? How do I reset my password? Instead of answering manually, add an AI-powered chatbot to your website. It handles the common FAQs instantly and only forwards the tricky or unusual cases to you. This creates a win-win. Customers get instant answers, and you only spend your energy on the questions that really matter. It's like having a 24/7 support assistant, but without paying a salary. Automation number 5, calendar booking. If you've ever gone back and forth over email trying to schedule a meeting, you know how much time it wastes. Does Tuesday work for you? No. How about Thursday? Multiply that by 10 clients, and suddenly your whole morning is gone. With AI scheduling tools like Calendly or Motion, people can see your availability and book a slot directly. They also get automatic reminders and can even fill out an intake form before the meeting. So when you show up, everything is ready to go. No missed calls. No scheduling headaches. This can easily save 1 to 2 hours every week. Automation number 6, document templates. Think about all the repetitive paperwork you create. Proposals, contracts, reports. Most of the time, 80% of the text is the same, only the names and details change. With AI-powered templates, you just fill in the client's name, the project scope, and maybe a price. The AI generates the entire document for you, formatted, professional, and ready to send. No more copying and pasting from old files. No more typos because you forgot to change the date. Just fast, accurate documents in minutes instead of hours. And finally, Automation number 7, the business dashboard. Data is everywhere in your sales platform, your website analytics, your ad manager, your social media. Normally, you'd waste time logging into 5 different platforms just to get an overview. AI dashboards pull all that information into one live screen. Revenue, leads, website visitors, ad spend, engagement all tracked in real time. So instead of spending 30 minutes a day hunting for numbers, you spend 30 seconds looking at one dashboard. That's clarity, speed, and focus combined. Let's recap. 7 automations: email triage, invoice reminders, content repurposing, customer support bots, calendar booking, document templates, and the live business dashboard. Together, these save me roughly 10 hours a week. That's time I can invest in strategy, creativity, or simply taking a break. And here's the best part. You don't need to set up all 7 at once. Start with just one. Pick the task that annoys you most, automate it, and enjoy the hours it gives back. Then add another and another until your business runs smoother than ever. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to Money Circuit. Here, we share more AI strategies, digital products, and passive income systems so you can work less and achieve more. And don't forget, check the link in the description to grab your free starter template pack. It's the first step to putting your own business on autopilot. This is Money Circuit plug into the flow of passive income.